In this video, I'll show you how you can get all champions in League of Legends. Now on this account, as you can see, I have all the champions, and the way that I got this was you use the shards. So if you come into the loot here, you're gonna use all the champion shards to make the champion instead of buying them from the store. So if you see the Cho'Gath, you can make him for only 810 instead of buying him from the store where he's more expensive. Now you're gonna use all the duplicates. You're gonna disenchant the duplicates that you have. So let's say you have 2 of Ari, you're gonna disenchant the 1. And if you want to get more champion shards, what you can do is come down here, complete all your missions, level up, and when you level up here, you'll get a leveling up one of these for the level up one. After you reach like 10 or 15 or 20 levels, you get those and you can open them, and there will be champion shards inside. Now also when you play ranked games and you perform well, you'll get keys and chests, and you can use these to get the champion shards. Now to get the keys, what you need to do is simply just perform well, have high honor level, and you'll get the key fragments. If you want the chest, you need to get C, the grade on the champion, at least 5 times on the same champion, and you'll get a chest. Now you can only get 1 chest per champion per split, and once you've done all of that, you can open the chest and you'll get a lot of these. Now the last one you can do is you can simply go to the store when there's an event happening, and you can buy the event pass, and in there you'll get some tokens when you play, and you can use those tokens to buy champion shards. So you can buy a lot of champion shards, and you can disenchant the duplicates, and you'll get a lot of blue essence. And the last one is simply just play a lot of the game. When you play a lot of the game, you'll earn the champion shards, the chest, and all of that just by playing, and you can also use that. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.